Good morning, we have another one here at God Bless You Upholstery. Let me show you what we have going on today. Today we're working on this 2003 Chevrolet Corvette. The problem with this Corvette is that the glass is falling. Here's a video of the glass. So we will be adding a new top to this 2003 Chevrolet Corvette. So right now we are going to disassemble the whole top, take it off, and we'll be replacing it with the new top. Here goes the new top for the Corvette, new glass, brand new black canvas top with the defroster, glass window in the back. So stay tuned for the final product once we are completed with the top in the next couple of days. God bless you, Upholstery.